If you served and you never used your VA loan benefit to buy a small multifamily property, you're leaving one of the most powerful wealth building tools in real estate sitting on the table. Most veterans think the VA loan is just for buying their primary residence, a single family home that you live in, but that's not the whole picture. And this video is going to change how you think about it. Do me a favor, like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want more content built specifically for veterans in real estate. My name is Bud Evans. I'm a 35-year United States Air Force veteran, 13 years retired police officer, former mayor of Sentiments in New Jersey, active real estate investor in single family and multifamily properties. I mentor veterans and first responders in real estate. And I'm the founder of a low-cost investor-focused property management company in South Jersey. Look, the VA loan allows eligible veterans to purchase a property with up to 4 units with zero down, no PMI, private mortgage insurance, and competitive interest rates. The only requirement here is that you have to occupy one of the units as your primary residence. That's called house hacking. You live in one unit, you rent out the others. Your tenants cover your mortgage, and in most cases, they cover it entirely. Here's why this matters. At 6.5% interest rates, the 0% down payment means you preserve your cash. No PMI means your monthly payment is lower than a conventional loan on the same property. And the rental income from the other units offsets your carrying costs in a way that a single-family primary residence never will. The mistake that most veterans make here is that they use their VA benefit once. They buy a single-family home and they stop. They don't realize that if they later refinance that home into a conventional loan and then pay the VA funding fee, they can restore their full entitlement and use the benefit again and again and again. The investors I know that do this successfully, they correctly bought a duplex or a triplex or a quad with their VA loan. They lived in one unit for a year. That's the requirement. You could do it for 2 or more. They built equity and cash flow. Then they moved out. They converted the property to a full rental and did it again and again and again. They used government benefits designed to help veterans buy a house systematically to build a rental portfolio with minimal money out of pocket. I've seen guys accidentally get to 12 units. These are 3 things I want you to take away right now. First, the VA loan covers up to 4 units if you occupy one. You can buy a duplex, a triplex, or a quad, 4 units. It's not just allowed, it's smart. Your tenants offset your mortgage. In the right market, house hacking with the VA loan can make your housing costs 0, or you could even cash flow. The benefit's not one time. Understand that you can restore your entitlement and you can use this tool more than once. If you're a veteran and you've never looked at house hacking with your VA loan, go look at one this week. This is one of the lowest barrier to entry points in real estate investing that exists anywhere in the country. All right, that's it. Do me a favor, like the video, subscribe, hit that notification bell for more veteran-focused real estate content every week. Thanks for watching. I'm Bud Evans. Aim high, execute fast. See you on the next one.